I have to tell you, you're in great shape. But as a guy who's banging his receptionist, 2 pharmaceutical reps, and on occasion his bloated rich wife, let me add, don't be a schmuck. Lie your ass off.
That's good advice.
Ooh. Janine, hi. Listen, could you run down to the deli and pick up a peach cobbler? Meet me in exam room 2.
How'd it go? Good news?
It's bad, Mom. It's real bad.
Oh, darling, I'm so sorry. I know what would cheer you up.
So do I.
No, I was thinking I could take you shopping. Come on now, there must be something I can get you to turn that frown upside down.
Well, remember when I was a kid how I always wanted to be a cowboy?
I'm not going to buy you a horse, Alan.
Of course not. Guess I'll have to be a cowboy in heaven. Are your eyes closed?
Yep, that close.
Gita, those are for the birds. Those are for the birdies.